It's an empowerment scheme that aims to solidify the Gombe state government's diversification program and promote its industrialization drive. Over 40 youth will be trained at this tricycle assembly plant, established in collaboration with the Pakistani rickshaw company. Training includes welding, electrical wiring and vulcanizing. 550 units of 6-seat tricycles will be assembled for a start.
By the special grace of God, we will take proactive measures to expand the capacity of what we have here so that it will be a source of maybe future revenues for Gombe and other activities. You know, a gateway to technological transfer between us and the people who are assisting us technically.
There are other benefits that come with this empowerment program.
So this is convertible. You can use the back seat as your boot where you keep your loads while you have the other passengers inside in the middle, or you can use it as a passenger carrier. So it's a multi-purpose model of Tricycle, whereby it can benefit especially the rural areas where they will have to transport maybe their farm produce and things like that. So they have like a boot behind them.
It's another business opportunity for the beneficiaries who are excited to be a part of the scheme.
I learned a lot of things like installing a radiator, installing a dashboard. A lot of things I've already benefiting here. I've learned it.
They train us well, but now we are ready to do it with, even though they are not around. Even though they are not around, we people of Gombe say, you that we can do it.
When completed, the tricycles will complement the transportation system of the northeastern state as they will travel through the metropolis and rural areas.